Hi, Ma. So today we're gonna do fidget training with my mom. Say hi, Mom.
Hi.
Alright, so would you like a square puppet?
Sure.
Okay. What's your offer?
A squishy. 3 squishies.
Okay, thank
Squishy
you.
balls?
Well, like these. Global.
Okay.
Okay, so what else do you want? What's your dream fidget you want?
Could I get some wormies and something like stringies, anything with strings and rubbery, and I will swap you with something amazing.
Okay, do you want this?
Sure.
Like this?
Wow. Look at that. Okay. And can I get something else? Because it's something amazing. I'm swapping you with something amazing.
Alright.
Something else that's stringy and stretchy.
Would you like a marble mesh? It's legendary.
Sure. It's legendary. Wow. Okay. Yeah. Sure. Yeah. Can I get something else? One more thing. Because what I have to swap with you is amazing.
Okay. I know it scared me though.
Something else. Ooh, that looks
Mochi.
so cool
It's
and
very
mochi.
soft.
Okay. Okay. I will swap with you. Would you like to